So yeah, with these string trimmers, line trimmers, they do the cutting on the end, so that is not very good. That's bad, having that long wispy tassel. You ideally want a nice clean cut, squared off pretty much end. That will cut better than, say, that. So that's why it's very important to keep these razor sharp, and that's another reason why I run guards. This is probably one of the most reasons I run guards, because you get that clean squared off cut when you bump the head, and when this is functioning correctly, when it's nice and sharp, it will trim it off lovely and leave that nice sharp point, or whereas if you haven't got a guard on, you're always going to be cutting with these kind of wispy ends. So yeah, it's one of the main reasons why we're on a guard. So actually, you're keeping the grass healthier when you're strimming as well.